If you're tired of basic code readers that only tell you what's wrong, paying dealerships hundreds for simple resets, or needing professional diagnostics without professional prices, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best OBD2 scanners with ECU coding that deliver professional diagnostic capabilities, including bidirectional controls, special functions, and actual ECU programming. From budget-friendly full-system scanners to wireless professional-grade tools, you don't need dealer equipment costing thousands to properly diagnose and program your vehicle. Whether you're a serious DIYR, independent mechanic, or automotive enthusiast, we've got the perfect diagnostic tool. I've dropped updated links in the description. Let's get into it. At number 5 is the TOPDON 𝗟𝗵 Pro OBD2 Scanner Bidirectional Diagnostic Tool at $200 to $300. Typically $230 to $270. The 𝗟𝗵 Pro features full system diagnostics accessing all vehicle modules beyond just engine and transmission. Bidirectional controls allow active testing like cycling ABS pumps or commanding injectors to pinpoint mechanical issues. The scanner includes 28 special functions covering oil reset, electronic parking brake service, steering angle sensor calibration, and DPF regeneration for diesel vehicles. The 5-inch touchscreen displays data clearly with intuitive navigation. The scanner supports most domestic, Asian, and European vehicles from 1996 onwards. AutoVine technology automatically identifies your vehicle. Data graphing displays live sensor readings helpful for diagnosing intermittent problems. Free lifetime software updates keep vehicle coverage current. Build quality is solid with durable construction. The ECU coding capability allows basic parameter adjustments and adaptations on supported vehicles. For serious DIYers wanting to save on shop costs, independent mechanics starting out, or anyone wanting dealership-level diagnostics affordably, this delivers capable performance. At number 4 is the 𝗖𝗵𝗂𝗀𝘂𝘀𝘀 Max 2025 version bidirectional OBD2 scanner at $250 to $350. Typically $280 to $320. The CR Max features full system diagnostics for all vehicle modules with extensive bidirectional control functions. The scanner covers 40-plus vehicle brands with deep system access rivaling dealer tools. Special functions include all common services plus advanced functions like TPMS programming, key coding, and immobilizer programming on supported vehicles. ECU coding allows parameter adjustments, module adaptations, and basic programming. The 7-inch touchscreen provides excellent visibility with responsive interface. The scanner stores complete diagnostic sessions for later review. Battery test function checks starting and charging systems. The ABS bleeding function helps with brake service. SAS calibration ensures accurate steering after alignments. Build quality is excellent with professional-grade construction. The scanner includes comprehensive vehicle coverage with regular updates, data logging records, driving sessions for analyzing intermittent problems. For technicians working on multiple brands, shops needing versatile scanner, or enthusiasts maintaining multiple vehicles, this delivers professional versatility. At number 3 is the MUCAR V08 OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool, full system scan tool at $300 to $400, typically $320 to $370. The V08 features full system diagnostics with intelligent diagnostics that automatically scan all systems and generate fault summary reports. Bidirectional controls include comprehensive active tests for all vehicle systems. The scanner includes 30-plus special functions covering all common services, plus advanced functions like injector coding, gear learning, and suspension calibration. The large 7-inch touchscreen uses Android-based interface familiar to smartphone users. Wi-Fi connectivity allows wireless diagnostics and easy software updates. ECU coding supports extensive programming functions including module replacement, parameter adjustments, and component adaptations. Topology mapping shows vehicle module layout and communication status. Build quality is premium with metal frame and protective bumpers. The scanner includes rechargeable battery for cordless operation. One-click update keeps software current. Guided functions walk users through complex procedures step by step. For users wanting professional functions without complex interface, shops prioritizing efficiency, or technicians wanting guided procedures, this delivers excellent balance. At number 2 is the THINKSCAN 689 OBD2 Scanner Bidirectional Scan Tool at $350 to $500. typically $380 to $450. That's premium professional scanner pricing with extensive capabilities. The THINKSCAN 689 features full system diagnostics across 80-plus vehicle brands covering domestic, Asian, and European makes comprehensively. Bidirectional controls include advanced active tests matching dealer tool capabilities for component verification. The scanner supports 40-plus special functions, including all common resets plus advanced coding like key programming on select vehicles, module replacement procedures, and ECU cloning for security systems. The 10.1-inch tablet-style touchscreen provides exceptional visibility with high-resolution display making data easy to read. The scanner operates on Android platform with familiar interface-reducing learning curve. ECU programming supports extensive coding functions, including enabling hidden vehicle features, module reprogramming after replacement, and component replacement programming. Build quality is flagship level with premium materials and professional design. The scanner includes docking station, keeping it charged and organized. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity enable wireless diagnostics, allowing freedom of movement. Cloud platform stores unlimited diagnostic reports for documentation. What makes the THINKSCAN 689 No. 2 is extensive vehicle coverage with advanced ECU programming rivaling dealer tools at fraction of the cost. For professional technicians, shops requiring comprehensive diagnostics, or advanced users needing maximum capability, this delivers flagship performance. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Launch X431CRP919XBT wireless bidirectional OBD2 scanner, earning this position by delivering true professional-grade diagnostics from industry leader Launch Tech at $400 to $600, typically $450 to $550. That's professional scanner pricing from the brand supplying dealer tools globally. The CRP919XBT features Launch's professional diagnostic platform used in actual dealership equipment. Full system diagnostics cover all vehicle modules with dealer-level depth and accuracy. Bidirectional controls include comprehensive active testing matching OEM diagnostic capabilities perfectly. The scanner supports 40-plus special functions with advanced coding, including ECU programming for performance modifications, module replacement procedures, immobilizer programming for security systems, and enabling hidden vehicle features from the factory. The 7-inch touchscreen delivers excellent interface with Launch's refined software developed over decades. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity eliminates cables, providing freedom to move around vehicle during diagnostics without being tethered. The scanner covers 100-plus vehicle brands globally, including domestic, Asian, European, and commercial vehicles comprehensively. ECU coding capability is genuinely professional grade, allowing parameter changes for tuning, adaptations after component replacement, component replacement programming, and module initialization procedures. Build quality is professional grade with rugged construction surviving demanding shop environments. The scanner includes rechargeable battery for cordless operation lasting full workdays. 1-year free updates include new vehicle coverage and enhanced functions as manufacturers release new models. Guided functions provide step-by-step procedures, reducing diagnostic errors. Technical support from Launch is comprehensive with knowledgeable staff. What makes the CRP919XBT No. 1 is Launch's professional diagnostic platform, delivering true dealer-level capability with wireless convenience. Launch supplies diagnostic equipment to manufacturers worldwide, and the CRP919XBT brings that professional technology to independent shops and serious enthusiasts at accessible pricing. The diagnostic depth matches dealer tools costing thousands more. ECU programming capability is genuine professional grade, enabling real repairs. Vehicle coverage is comprehensive, spanning decades of models, and wireless operation provides convenience professional tools lack. For professional technicians wanting dealer-level diagnostics without dealer pricing, independent shops competing with dealerships on repairs, serious enthusiasts working on modern vehicles requiring advanced coding and programming, or anyone wanting the absolute best OBD2 scanner available regardless of budget, the Launch CRP919XBT delivers exactly that. The combination of Launch's professional diagnostic platform proven in dealerships worldwide, true ECU programming capability, enabling component replacement and coding, wireless operation providing diagnostic freedom, and comprehensive vehicle coverage makes it the best OBD2 scanner with ECU coding you can buy right now.